Hello, this will be a brief tutorial on the Office 365 product. You can access the web portal from any computer, whether it has the Microsoft Office applications or not, and you can use the web applications through the web portal. In order to get to the web portal, you can open Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, Chrome, or other browsers, and go to login.microsoftonline.com, enter your username and your password, and sign in. Now, I am an administrator for my organization, so I see the administration console. This is where you can change settings for your organization to allow sharing or not sharing. You can add users and that type thing, or you can allow a designated administrator to also allow you to help with this. The standard user does not see this. Only the administrator will be able to see this portal. The standard user gets the Outlook web portal as their default screen when they open the web portal. Now, this is where you can create emails, receive your emails, and that type thing. And as you can see, it looks very similar to the Outlook that you have on your desktop. Just as a comparison, I'll open the Outlook on my desktop and we'll look at it to compare the web portal versus the Outlook that is on my desktop. Okay, I have now opened the Outlook that's on my desktop, and if I go to the Diana email, you see that I have the navigation pane, a list of all the emails, and the reading pane. If I go to the Outlook that's on my desktop, it has the very same things. So it's very easy to go back and forth and be able to see the different things that are available, and to convert to use the different features. You can also gain access to all of your calendar and all of the things that's going on there. You can access all of your contacts. This will synchronize on all of the devices that you put the Office 365 product on. The news feed is a location similar to Facebook, so that you can enter information about your own organization and everyone can go there. The OneDrive is your documents that you save into the cloud. When you save to the cloud, it's like you're saving to a server that's out on the internet, and you can access these documents from anywhere. So within your browser, you can open up a particular document. You can make changes to that document, and anything that you want to do, all within the browser, and you don't even have to have the application installed on that computer. You can synchronize all of your documents so that you have a local copy on your local computer. I'll click to show my files here. And as you can see, all of these items that are checked are synchronized so that I have a local copy as well as a copy out on the internet. This means that if I come into work tomorrow and I can't get to the internet, then I can go to this local copy, I can open it up, I can continue working, and then when I do get my internet availability back, then I can connect to it and resynchronize all that information so that I can continue working. Under your sites, you have a place that you can get a team site, and your team site is a place where you can put documents, and anyone in your organization can see this information. So you can go to different folders, directories, open them, and you can change the sharing so that it can be shared with everyone, or you can restrict the sharing so that if I had a human resources folder here, that I could only allow the certain people that I wanted to be able to get to that information. But this is the web portal. You can access this on any browser, on any computer. To briefly go over to Microsoft Word, I'll open Word. This is how it opens. You have several templates that you can choose from, or you can go open up a recent document that you recently opened up. This is a rather large document. Here it shows that welcome back. Do you want to go back to where you left off? And this takes me right to the location that I left this document at the last time that I was there. So, you know, there are other features here. Now let's say that I want to, you know, make a comment about this particular statement. I can go here, right click, and enter a new comment, and I just put please revise. Now when I save this, the next person comes, they will be able to see that I want this section revised. They rest their mouse over it and they can see exactly what I want revised. They can either make another comment or make their revisions. Well, once they get through making their revisions, and you can do many in your document, then if you go to the review tab and you get through with it, you can delete each individual comment, or you can delete all your comments and go back and resave that document. So this is a new feature of the 2013 version. Something else that's new in the Microsoft Word is that you can open, and would you believe that you can open a PDF document now in Word? Have you ever wanted to change a PDF document and maybe add something to it? Now you can do that and then turn around and resave that document as a Microsoft Word document. So this is a neat feature of the new version of Word. When you save, you can save to the cloud. Saving to the cloud is very simple. You click on Computer, click Browse. You go up to your OneDrive for Everyday Computer Solutions. In my example, you click Save here, and let's just make this a 2 so that it doesn't save over the top of the one that I have. And it saves to the cloud, and now I can go to the cloud and access that data. So it's not hard at all to move the information to the cloud. It is very simple to do. Moving on to Excel. Here is an example of the new Excel. Just wanted to show you a couple examples of a couple of the new features about Excel. Let's say that you have a long list of names. I don't know, we have well over 100, and this is the first name and this is the last name. So let's say you want to combine these and make them into one. The new Excel will recognize what you're doing. It will help you autofill. When it automatically pops up, you hit enter, and now it recognized exactly what I was doing, and so it went in and filled every one of these in for me without me having to go down that whole list. Another feature that I find to be very convenient is, you know, sometimes you go through and you look and you say, you know, I got all these names, and you know, maybe I'm sending them emails, or maybe I'm sending them a letter in the mail, and I don't want to send duplicates out. You can highlight a section, go in and say, I want to find out where the duplicate values are, and now the setting that I had highlighted it in the red color, so that I can see that this particular user is actually on this list more than once. So I could go in and delete this and know that every one that I have is a unique user. So that would save, it would easily allow me to pull the duplicates out. You can also pull all the uniques out as well. You can take a series like days, and you can select them, go in and put them in, and it will expand them out very easily. If you want to make a chart, now it's so much easier to make a chart than in the past. You select what you want, you go to insert, you go to recommended charts, and now it will give you a highlight of what this chart will look like, so that all you have to do is select your chart and put it in there. So it's much easier to put your charts in. It gives you a quick showing of what that chart does. Link is an instant messaging program, and you can use it to send instant messages to other people in your organization, or even outside of your organization if you share it. So I'll see if Tyler's available. Looks like he's typing a message back to me. And he looks like he's having problems getting to the internet, so I'm going to ask him to share his screen with me so I can see what kind of problem he has. And I get a message asking if I want to view his screen. So now I can see his screen, and I will ask for control. He's given me control. Says the proxy server isn't responding, so it looks like that he might have a problem with his internet settings. Internet options. That should not be checked. That problem has been resolved, but he had a wrong setting on his internet. But this is a real easy way for someone to, contact us and let us know they're having a problem. Share the screen with us. We can see it, and then resolve the problem and get right back out of their screen. So that turns out to be an excellent tool. I hope you've enjoyed the little demonstration. There are many, many more features that I haven't been able to get to, but in brief, I just wanted to let you know. So he says thanks for the help, so we've got him all fixed. I hope you will take the product and give it a try and see if it works well for you. I think it will. Thank you.